Are you trying to stay on top of the stock market news, but you don't know where to look? It's time to discover the best finance websites to keep track of your stocks that ever existed. Now, the video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, let me tell you something. Watching the stock market can feel overwhelming, but with so much information out there, where do you turn? But don't worry, there are some amazing websites that make it easy to follow stock prices, trends, latest news. So whether you're a beginner or an expert, these are the sites that are going to make you confident when it comes to tracking your investments. So let me tell you, here are 5 financial websites, great ones for stock tracking. First one is Yahoo Finance, which gives you real-time stock quotes, news, and simple charts. Then you got Must Watch. That's the second one. Must Watch offers updates on stock prices and breaking market news. There's CNBC, known for its fast stock updates and expert opinions. You got Bloomberg, which provides in-depth analysis and updates on global financial markets. And you got Seeking Alpha, okay? Amazing articles for specific stocks. I'll put this in the description. So when you use these websites, you're going to feel ready to make smarter decisions with your money right away. And if you like anything about this little video, leave me a like. I love you.